585 cash.
Approaching Franklin now. The passenger should have crack in his left front pocket. You want to take him down?
723.
Drug unit following a car down here.
Come on, Fake.
Hands up! Put him up! Put the car apart!
Get out of the car.
Uncuff. Take the cuff. Take that off.
Get out.
Come out of the car.
On the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Find the bag. You got him. I got her. All right.
What's this all about?
Drug investigation. Sit up on your butt. Okay, stand up.
Grab my back.
Left front pocket. Watch yourself. You got a warrant for us too?
I've got just a fine. I've got a court date going. I'm supposed to go to court.
There it is.
Cool. You're under arrest for felony drug abuse.
Me?
Yeah.
For what?
Felony drug abuse.
I don't.
Hey, Harry.
And how's my shirt? The red one in the back. How my shirt? You're kind of jammed up right now, aren't you? No, you're pretty high right now. No, not at all. I drank a few beers when I got off work.
Who's that? Was you?
King, I've been dating her for a while.
Is it her dope then?
As far as I know, she quit a while ago.
No, it's yours then, right?
No, I ain't admitting that I know, because it ain't mine.
It is now. It's in your seat. It's
I
yours.
don't know all about it. I don't know.
What if two undercover officers saw you purchase that bag? What would you have to say?
No, I didn't purchase anything. I have no money. I got $3. I was getting a beer.
All right.
Till tomorrow when I get paid.
I have to put him on one
Can I
of
have
those
my
ones.
shirt out of it's the red one, the maroon one?
Yeah, we'll get your shirt in a minute, man.
Can I have mine? You got it.
You want to tell us the truth of what's going on here?
Telling the truth.
Is that your car?
No.